We all know that growing and curating an Instagram account for your business takes time. It takes time to post, to connect with your audience, and to keep that conversation going. Now, over time, you may start to notice that you are answering the same questions from people in your DMs. Direct messages for those of you that may not be up to date with your Instagram lingo. And you may also notice that you are typing out the same response to these questions over and over again, which can not only just be a little annoying, but it can also take time, especially if your responses are informational and maybe a little lengthy. In this video, I'm going to share with you a neat hack that will not only give your fingers a rest, but also save you time by using a feature called Quick Replies in Instagram. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. If you're new here, you'll want to subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Facebook because every Monday I release a new marketing video. And hey, if a weekly video just isn't enough for you and you want more marketing news and information, then consider subscribing to my weekly email list, and every Thursday I'll hit your inbox with more information that could help you market and grow your business. If you like saving time, you are going to love today's video because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Quick Replies, a feature in Instagram. Okay, so let's start with the very basics. Quick Replies is a feature in Instagram that allows you to pre-program responses for quick selection and use. Quick replies can come in handy if you find that your followers are often asking you the same questions about your products, services, or business. You can create and save pre-programmed responses to these questions to use time and time again so that you're not having to type out the entire message every single time. Here, let me give you an example. Let's say that I own a skincare company and my skincare products are only available to people for purchase on my website or through my Instagram page because I want to keep it direct to consumer, meaning you will not find any of my skincare products at any local or national stores. But yet, one of the most common questions I get in my DMs though is, hey, where can I pick up your skincare products? My response to this question typically is, thank you for your interest in our organic skincare products. Our products are available for purchase online at our website at skincare.com and also on Instagram. We value our connection with our customers and want to be sure that we keep our skincare line affordable, which means you won't find our products sold in any stores. Please let us know if we can assist with a purchase or if you have any other questions. Now, as you can imagine, because my response is a little lengthy, it can be daunting to have to type that out every single time when I reply or respond back to somebody. Luckily, with the Quick Replies feature in Instagram, though, I don't have to do that. Here, let me turn it over to my phone to show you exactly how I can set this up so that I can use a quick reply in the future. Here are the steps. Hit the 3 bars in the right-hand corner. Select Settings, select Business, and then select Quick Replies. And you will have the option to create the shortcut text and then put the quick reply in. Now let me show you what that is going to look like when you actually walk through it in your Instagram app. Now right here is where you create the shortcut. Keep in mind there should be no white space, meaning just don't put any spaces. I'm going to list this one as products sold because it's talking about where I sell my products. Now I've typed this up, my reply, in notes so that I can just copy and paste it into the Instagram app. So I'm copying it, then I'm going to go back to the app and then paste it right here for the message. And notice that the entire message is right here now. All right, so let me show you what it's going to look like when I'm actually doing it in a conversation with a prospective client or customer. Down here, click on the plus, and you'll notice that this pops up, and my quick replies pop up. So I just selected the quick reply I wanted to use, and it printed out that entire response for me. And then I can send it on its way. Another way to do this is if I start typing that shortcut, products sold, it's going to turn this blue right here. When I click it, it puts the entire message in it. Imagine how much time you could save if you set up quick replies for all of your most frequently asked questions. If you like this video, remember that every Monday I release a video just like this one that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. Don't forget to check out my website at www.theseasonmarketer.com. That's where I have all of my previous videos uploaded and also a couple of freebies that I have waiting for you, so you'll want to go check that out. Thanks again for tuning into another Monday Marketing Minute. I'll catch you guys next week, same time and place.